This is Travis with Pro Caliber, and today we're going to talk about snowmobile riding gear. We're going to start with the helmet, which is actually specifically made for snowmobiling. The biggest feature that this helmet has is actually ventilation. Believe it or not, one of the problems when you snowmobile with a helmet is that you get too warm and then you start sweating. Then when you stop riding, you get cold. This helmet actually vents, allows some air in there to keep you from getting too warm where your helmet is. This helmet also has a set of goggles in here you can see. Goggles are very important for snowmobiling. They actually sell goggles that are completely anti-fog now, and you can also put tear-offs on them, so that when the snow sticks to your lens, you can just rip that off and get a new field of view. Moving on down, we have the jackets, which are very high-tech these days. This jacket from Climb is actually Gore-Tex and has Thinsulate insulation. It's very thin, yet very warm and very windproof. Because they're so windproof, they actually do have extra ventilation built into the jackets now. You can see this actually has a zipper to allow some air in here as needed. Again, this stuff is so warm and so weatherproof that you actually get almost too warm when you're out there snowmobiling at times. Another great improvement in gear is gear being specifically built for women. You can see this has more of an hourglass figure, and they also have pants that match the women's figure much more than the guy's figure. So when you're trying on the gear, a lady can actually try on gear that fits her specific body type. Moving on over here to accessories, gloves, just like the jackets, Gore-Tex, seam sealed, Thinsulate insulation. This is a very, very warm glove, yet it's very thin, so you can hold onto your handlebars and use your controls and do everything you need to do with your zipper without taking your gloves off. Balaclavas have came a long way as well. Windproof down here, waking material up here, keeps you dry, keeps the wind out, also keeps the moisture off your head. And then boots, same deal. Gore-Tex, very durable, seam sealed. This is the latest boot from Climb, and it is just a tremendous boot. And overall, all this gear really adds up to a much more enjoyable experience out there when you're riding. You can stay warm, you can stay dry, you're not going to sweat too much. It's just going to make your experience in the mountains that much better. If you have any other questions about this type of gear, come on down to Pro Caliber and we can show you everything that we have and explain all the great features that are out there.